How you doing? Good? Oh, okay. You want to start how to get in PlayStation and FIFA 19? We have two things, the remote and the PlayStation controller. So we need this. Now to press here. Look at this. Go. Oh, it's worked. Okay, sorry guys. Now press this. Do you see it? That okay? Just press. Is lit over here. Do you see it? We need to wait like 3 seconds. Oh. Do you see it? Oh, okay. Just shut up. No. Go on the joystick. Okay. 1, 2. 2 times it's gonna be. Now, the down. 1, 2. Now press here the X. Now go on to FIFA. FIFA 19. Press over here again. What is going on in that city, guys? Oh, what happened to FIFA 19? Checking trophies? Look at them. It's a checking trophy. What's wrong with you, FIFA? Bro, that sucks. I don't know what's happened with that FIFA 19. So, okay. Press it again. So it says English. Bro, look at the. It's an EA Sports. Stop it. Oh, wow. Yeah, this is footballers. We are in game. Press start again. Look at it says start. Right here, start. Sorry guys. It's loading. Oh, okay. Is one more time. Let me see the reaction. FIFA 19. We have for ps3. Who'd like FIFA 19? Just subscribe. Press like, turn on the notification, and who likes FIFA? Okay. Now press here to kick off. Right here. Okay? Kick off. Custom made. You have a custom made and press over here the X. Now, which your favorite club? My favorite is Dortmund. Here, you have a Dortmund. Okay, good. Do you see it? Okay. Now, again with the opponent's team. Now go here. Oh, we gotta go again in Germany. Okay, with your club now. Tucci. No, Bercy again, huh? Wait a second. You want a little bit over here? Nah. Oh, nah. Stupid. Bro, sorry guys. No, not the end list. Whoa. Oh, whatever. Wolfsburg. Let's do this. Press 6. Press 6. Oh, you see it now. Again. and press again. Oh, okay, just play match. Just press 6. What about this league? Bye guys, I hope you're watching. Bye.